Guys, I've just been reflecting on something that one of my mentors when I first got into real estate told me about what it really takes to make it in this industry. And he said one word. He says that's tenacity. You have to have tenacity to make it in this industry because it is tough. This isn't HGTV where you're buying cash, paying for cash, and you're closing in 10 days. There's a lot of work that goes into this. And I remember there's another individual that told me, he's like, Josh, I was like, you can make money, like 8 different ways in real estate. I was like, great. I want to know every single one because when I meet with somebody, a potential client, I want to make sure that I'm their guy. I want to make sure I'm the one that's going to actually be able to create the value for them. You want to list your house? Let's do it. You want to buy a house? Let's go. You want to flip one? Awesome. You need one to wholesale or you need a wholesale property? Let's make it happen. You're looking for a rental? I'll help you out. You need multifamily? Let's do it. You want to go in commercial lease? I got the connection. You always want to be making sure that you're educating yourself on this industry in every aspect. There's so much that's involved with real estate that people don't really know, and they're not in the trenches with it. You have to get out there. You have to put yourself in uncomfortable situations and continuously be learning. Nothing's going to happen if you're sitting on the couch watching TV or looking on your phone. You got to get out there and get in the trenches and make sure that you work. You're working 24/7. It's not an easy job. So if you're looking to get in the industry, be ready. Have tenacity. Talk to you soon.